In this video I will discuss how to get big profits by taking advantage of trend reversals. The chart pattern that will be discussed in this video is the bearish head and shoulders chart pattern. Now let's discuss this strategy. Watch until finish. This pattern has a shape with 3 mounds, where the mound in the middle will be larger than the other 2 mounds on the sides. If the chart breaks the neckline of the chart, this indicates a trend reversal. You exercise a down option at the breakout point. This chart pattern is very accurate. There is almost no misprediction from this pattern. Pay attention to the following video explanation. The current trend is an uptrend. Then the head and shoulders pattern appears. On the graph, there are 3 graph peaks. This pattern is indicated as a head and shoulders pattern, because the middle peak is higher than the left peak and right peak. Below the graph there is the same valley point if you draw a line. This line is called the neckline. Open position if the candle breaks the neckline. Down option. I suggest you to trade on Quotex trading platform, because this platform has many advantages, such as a 30% bonus for the first deposit, has account levels with different benefits, and has many of the most complete tools and indicators. If you want to try it, I have provided a link in the description of this video. This video shows how to do it before entering this pattern. Don't skip this video. This channel also discusses many other accurate strategies. You can also find free signals, trading robots and many others. Check the video description.
Hey kid, don't ever let them get inside your head. They'll tell you what to do in life instead of everything you know that you could get. Don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless. They don't wanna see me care. Anytime I make some progress, I can see that they compare. I think everyone's against me, maybe something in the air. Am I paranoid? I swear a void is forming and they're scared I walk straight.